This is my favorite part of car shootout. It's where we get to drag, baby. Vroom, vroom. Come on, Sean. Come on, Sean. On your marks. Get set. Go! Well, I was absolutely annihilated by the R8. But listen, it doesn't stop there. The drag racing continues. It's car shootout and we're drag racing, baby.
In the IT department there. Huh? Have you got your buttons sorted?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Ready?
Ready? Ready.
3, 2, 1, go.
Once this thing launches, it is quick.
Oh, BMW takes it. And this is a quick car, but that is a quicker car.
Did everything okay with you?
That thing looked like a slingshot. M5 beast.